We out here at NJMP right now. Track is wet. Today we're on lightning. I think it's gonna dry out. I see some spots that have been drying out. So I actually bought an extra set of tires today just in case I want to try something out. Out here it's okay. It's some sun coming through. I think there's a chance of thunderstorm at like 12 to 1. But that might go away. I see a lot of sun right now, and I think the whole entire track is drying out. We got 9 to 10 guys today, and I think tomorrow we got even more. It seems like it's gonna be a fun day. I'm instructed one of the guy named Eric, and he got quite a number of decent experience. We got Andrew trying to figure out his aim solo, which he kind of broke because he was trying to do this pin thing and he shoved it in the wrong hole. Everything was going good this morning, like the hotel at the track was great, but somebody started the car at 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't know, it was like a monster truck, what the hell it was. Dude, that woke me up. It was like boom, the entire building was shaking. I didn't even need an alarm this morning. I woke up at like 6. Actually, I went back to sleep, and then I woke up at, I don't know, 6:15. If you guys have a chance, check it out. It's great. Hotel at NJMP. You wake up, and then you're like on the boat on Main Street, which is pretty cool. Right here is I put the NT01s on here, and I also need an end link. My end link was going pretty bad. Evan from Junfab right there, he actually bought the end link to the track. He should put it on for me right now. It's pretty cool, man. It's super good to have a sponsor like this. You would never thought putting on end links for the track. I would never thought about it. I've never had track support like this. This is crazy. No, man, it's always like me. Junfab fixing my car. I never had 2 guys fixing my car at the same time, guys. This is really big news for my car. Like, he's supposed to drop it off to me, and then they're like, oh, let's just put it on now.
That'll do what he always do.
He ruined the whole section for everyone.
Yeah.
He said, I'm not letting anyone get a faster time than me. I'm just going to throw dirt everywhere. I'm watching you guys in my rearview mirror, and all I see was this.
I need that
dirt
video.
everywhere.
So what happened today is I'm running 2 sessions on the NT01 just to play around with Craig, and everybody else is on NT01. And then I'm switching back to SX2, so I'm only recording my SX2 time for the ne86Cup since GT Radio is our sponsor. Me and Craig and Andrew is doing this while we are battling guys who's on NT01s, which is some more grippier type tires. But I mean, we want to represent our sponsor, so kind of want to keep the SX2 flow going. I'm almost out of the NT01, so right now I'm actually putting the SX2. So like I said before, I'm going to run the last session on SX2, doing the last second swaps. piece completely fell off?
Oh, it didn't more than fall off. You got a piece laying out there on the track if you didn't see it.
I saw it. I saw it from my mirror.
Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah.
And then you got a big chunk still hanging on.
Still hanging off?
Yeah, so go ahead and fit in.
Yep.
And then at the end of the day, the flagger are bringing the other piece and stick it in the garage.
Got it.
You hit something?
I don't know what I clipped, but I don't know what I clipped. Shenanigans. I once again ripped off the right side of my bumper again. Well, no, I ripped the left side, now the right side. Yo, what's up, guys? Finished the first day, or should I say round 4 of Northeast 86 Cup. We just did NJMP Lightning today. We had 9 guys today, and it was pretty fun. It was definitely a great run with these guys, and we're going to Texas Roadhouse right now, and I am with these guys. I got Emil, I got Eric, I got Bill, I got Andrew. I'm really excited for this tomorrow event because it will probably be one of our biggest turnout with, you know, number of cars on the track, and I really want to get that. Super tired the first day. It's a pretty long day. Tomorrow we'll have an early day tomorrow. For the Monster Truck Show, we gotta be at driver's meeting at 7 o'clock and technical registration starts at 6. Luckily, I'm on that track hotel right next to Thunderbolt, so it's right there. So I'm setting my alarm clock at 6 and I'm just gonna run downstairs. Hope to see a lot more new guys tomorrow. Until then, I guess I'm ready because it's been a tiring